Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your pollen filter on this Seat Arona. You can see as you come over here to the glove box, this is where basically the pollen filter is located on the Seat Arona. So literally we've got some little tabs here. So literally if you get like a flathead screwdriver or something like that, I don't know if you can see the tabs there, and push it that way, and then it will literally just drop down. You need like a little flathead or something just to push the tab away. I'll demonstrate for you right now. So push that tab in, so you see the tab there. So that needs to go in, that one there. And then, as you can see, that one's coming down. And then you need to do the same on that side there as well. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and then both of them will fall down. Once you've released both the tabs, as you can see, it just comes straight down. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about. They're literally pushing like that. And then you can pop these out. And then that's our pollen filter right there. So literally just need to undo these clips. So let's go ahead now. So you see you've got clips at the top as well, so just push that one down, push that one down as well, and then pull up, and then the whole thing should come straight out like that. And there's our pollen filter. So now we're going to fit our new filter, as you can see. So this we just line it up and push it straight in there. So now that's all in like that, and we'll just get our cover, line it up like that, and then once that's lined up, it literally just clips back into place like that. Let's line that one up as well. As you can see, it's all clipped. Just push this back up, and that's basically it, as you can see. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share, and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed. Keep on rolling. Boom.